Hi everyone, welcome back to the Scriptcase Macros course. My name is Nate Carpenter, and today we're looking at the get group by rule. So this macro gives us some good functionality and might be useful to you. Let's go ahead and look at what it does. So it gets the current group by rule in use. So this is on a grid. You can set multiple group by rules, and this way you can determine which one is in use at the current time. So let's go ahead and look at the documentation here. So there it is, and we don't really need to pass anything through to it. We're just going to run it, and it's going to return a text string with the name of the rule. And that name of the rule is something that you set or is generated automatically by Scriptcase. So let's go ahead and copy this and take it over to a grid I have set up. So I have a basic grid set up here. Let me go ahead and run it so you can see it here. I have a couple group bys set up on this grid. And there's one set up by default, rental ID and staff ID. And if I hit group by at the top, I can change it to another one. So I have two different group bys here. And we're going to make it so that it shows it on the initial load and whenever the user changes it. So we need to go to group by to see these. So we go to group by, then static group by here. And here are those two group bys. If I expand one and click settings, you can see how you can change those if you're unfamiliar with group bys in Scriptcase. But for now, we're going to go to events and then the onScriptInit event right here. So onScriptInit, and then we can go ahead and assign this to a variable called rule and copy in our macro there that we copied from the documentation. And then I'm going to pop up an alert, a suite alert here with that rule in it, just displaying the rule, just so we can see that we're getting it here. So pretty basic. You could apply this in a lot of different ways, but let's go ahead and run this just so you have a basic understanding of how to use it. So there we go. It is showing our initial group by there. And if we change it to another group by, and there we go, it pops up the other group by right like so. So that's how you use the get group by rule to determine which group by is in use at the current time.